Hello, I'm Rouge. We will talk about the freight trains, also called the rail freight transport. The rail freight transport is the use of railroads and trains to transport cargo as opposed to human passengers. It is sometimes called cargo train, or a goods train according to International Union of Railways. This transportation can haul bulk material, intermodal containers, general freight or specialized freight in purpose-designed cars. Rail freight practices and economics vary by country and region. It uses a large box called a shipping container, which is also used in trucks. The height is generally taken about 2.5 meters, width 2 meters, and length 5 meters. Its total capacity is about 25 cubic meters, which is approximately 900 cubic feet. The maximum weight allows up to 18 tons when a triaxle chassis is used. Most of the goods train can have up to maximum speed of 60 miles per hour, compared with the speed of Trans-Siberian railways. You'll hear about it in the next video. Last but not least, moving goods by rail often involves transshipment costs. It helps you to unload goods from one ship to another to complete a journey. For example, shipping container from Europe to Russia has a distance of 4,924 kilometers as the crow or migratory bird flies. If the shipping cost, for example, say £265, has to travel from Europe to Russia a few seconds ago, then its cost per kilometer is about £0.0538 per kilometers. You can find out about international costs per unit distance taught by Shadow the Hedgehog. So you now know about the freight trains. Like, comment, and subscribe now.